Hey everyone, welcome to the Habitat Issue Triage for May the 29th, 2018. Let's get it started. No. Oh wait, there we go. All right, can everyone see my screen for the browser?
Yeah.
Cool. Side note, that share your screen thing for just an application window, not a super intuitive interface there. All right, so the first issue we have up today comes to us from Mr. Stephen Smith. Anyway, not Stephen Nelson. Stephen Nelson Smith. Did I get it right?
Stephen Nelson Smith.
Okay, see? Hyphens confuse me. So the Hab package search gives surprising and sometimes wrong results. Do you want to speak to this one, Stephen?
Yeah, sure. Basically, the search query is just not very reliable. Sometimes it matches exactly what you expect. Sometimes it matches extra stuff, and sometimes it just doesn't match stuff that we know is there.
Cool. That sounds problematic. So I think under the covers, what's happening here is there's a Postgres query that's being constructed that if we don't craft it just so, it's probably the reason that we're getting bad results, which seems buggy. So I think it definitely deserves a bug card. I think the underlying feature here is one that we've talked about a little bit before, which is that we need a dedicated search service, something that actually is good at searching. So yeah, I'm going to put this in as a builder, potentially also, yeah, I'm going to say builder, builder bug that is going to go in the builder vertical. I mean, everything belongs in the DevX vertical, but you know. Does that seem fair to everybody?
Yeah, makes sense.
Okay. All right, cool. Triaged.
The only other point on that, you might want to add a doc to it, was there's absolutely no documentation at all about what to expect when you enter a search in Hab package. There's no mention as to, is it going to be an exact match? Is it a fuzzy match? Is it greedy? Is it not greedy? So the person is just left to guess.
Okay.
I'll open an issue for that.
Okay. Yeah, that would be a good one to get the CLI docs cleaned up on that one. Thanks, Josh. Let's see. The next issue is local development with project hierarchy is not possible yet. Okay.
So it looks like Romain just explained how to do that. So
yep. So yeah, the same studio. I know that this has come up before. It's probably worth having a section in the docs for iterating on multiple dependent plans. What does everybody else think about that?
I think that's probably true. I mean, I guess it seems pretty intuitive to me, but I think it's better to be explicit than implicit.
Yeah, I've been getting a little more empathy around new users, especially after ChefConf, as we see people pop into the channel, and it's like stuff that I've been working on this for so long. I find it obvious, and then somebody else comes in, they're like, "No, that's not obvious, you bloke."
Yeah, I definitely think there's no harm in documenting everything, really.
Yeah. Put that in front. All right. Cool. Let's see. Next up, Add channel filter to have. How many issues did you file around this?
Only 2.
Let's see. So you want to filter. I think that's a super valid feature request, like being able to filter down based on channel or origin, or at least specifying like how the search patterns work if you wanted to search on those.
Yeah, so this is I mean, I don't know how much it's really needed. It's needed for me right now because of the way that Builder on-prem works. So I needed to do a bunch of searches to work out where things were and what the versions were. So I ended up having to write a bunch of code that parsed the output of hab package search, which is how I found out that hab package search doesn't work.
Gotcha. Yeah, I think this is a valid feature request.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, there's a number of hab package search issues that have come up lately. So this is a good one.
That's what I was saying earlier in the call, was that like I think we're probably getting close to 10 issues around searching being just bad in areas, and so
we should just disable it.
Yeah, let's just disable search. That's the best way to fix a broken feature.
Easy.
Done and done. Actually, this is Builder in the client. RBAC and base packages. Tasha. Looking at some of the conversations.
Yeah, this is foot gun defense.
Yeah. Was this in response to that issue or the thing that I commented on with you and Romain Stephen?
I suspect that's exactly what it is.
Yeah. Like, oh God, don't promote this lest you break the world. You fools.
No. Well, that's it. So Romain's like, I'm going to promote this. I'm like, are you sure that's not going to break everything? No, it's not going to break everything. Okay.
10 hours later when I wake up.
Time passes. Elliot, shit, that's going to break everything.
We almost do the same thing for builds, right? You're going to kick off a build that's going to be actually 100 builds. It's not really obvious.
Yeah.
That's happening.
Yeah, okay. All right.
Stage 1 stuff in particular.
I think I just need to add every label to this one. Boom, that's everybody. We're all responsible for this one. All right. This was literally the issue.
Yeah, this is fixed.
Was it?
Yeah. You can close this.
All right. All right. .env build file should be executable on PowerShell. Well, I'm assuming that since Matt has already assigned himself to this, it's probably ready for analysis. Close issue. No, I'm kidding. All right. Hab Docker ops doesn't handle arbitrary white space.
That's not a surprise.
Wait, what? Is my screen twitchy, or is it everybody else seeing that weird character?
I think you put it there on purpose.
I think it might be deliberate.
Okay.
Show where the spaces were.
Right. Okay. So basically, like
okay, right. Yeah.
tokenize.
Yeah.
Yeah, or at least
that's legit.
Yeah, I think that is legit. I'm honestly surprised we're just passing that through as a string and not tokenizing it. I assume that because this is not in the Rust code, it's in the bash code. I think this is in Studio. Is that have Docker ops only gets passed through for the Studio, or is it the CLI?
I think it's Studio only.
Okay. Well, if I'm wrong, then somebody can relabel it. Right. Support Chef Server OpenID Connect as an OAuth provider. Oh, well, this is actually...
It's an interesting one to look at.
Yeah.
We talked about this, didn't we, Salim, as whether this would be an idea?
Yeah, it's potentially feasible, but we didn't really have a chance to actually try it out. So there could be some gotchas.
Do we want to accept this as a feature request?
I think we won't want to investigate it, yeah.
Okay. I'm going to put it in the backlog then.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, where is this? Oh, this is filed in the on-prem builder repo.
Yeah, that's fine.
It just doesn't have the right labels.
Okay, yeah.
So I'll just add as an enhancement, I guess.
Sure.
You get one label, the saddest label.
It's not sad.
It's not a sad label.
It's good.
What's funny about that issue is Fillmore. There was a guy in general. Where did he go? Leo Fillmore was asking about connecting Bitbucket server to the OAuth app and was saying that he couldn't figure out how to do it. Mm-hmm. And I think I asked him to file an issue, but I haven't seen one come through yet. But based on that issue, they were saying that it's not possible.
What's not possible?
To connect Builder on-prem to Bitbucket server, like the on-prem version of Bitbucket.
Oh, but yeah, because there's different implementations. Bitbucket has its own varied ways of supporting OAuth that change from version to version on the on-prem, and it's different from their cloud.
Yeah.
But Chef server is using a more standard library, so I think it may not have those same issues.
Okay. Well, at a bare minimum, we should document like what OAuth providers are supported. I think, like just as a side note, because it seems like there are people trying, like anytime they see OAuth, it's like cool, like Builder supports OAuth. I have an OAuth provider.
Yeah, that's fair. I think we've said Bitbucket, but
yeah,
there's so many variants that it's hard to kind of put in.
Yeah.
But yeah. And I think that issue could move to the on-prem depot also, so we can just track it there, right? And so we can just ask people to check the open issues.
Yeah.
Right. So then.
Yep.
At least they have some idea of what's working, what's not.
Yeah. Yeah. Exactly. Okay. Let's see. Package Bootstrap does not contain Windows hearts. Salim, you filed this one.
Josh has fixed this already. Although one question is, do we have an updated Bootstrap bundle out there now?
Yeah, we do.
We do. Okay, excellent. Fantastic.
All right. I'm gonna say. All right. No auth token specified.
It doesn't look like there's a odd token there. I can't really see
Huh.
what's going on.
Okay, hold on. Can I edit this? To get some formatting.
Mm-hmm. Okay, this is the line that's
Yeah.
not clear with the. It looks like there isn't any token that he's getting. So it looks like the tutorial isn't right.
Yeah, that's.
So we should just fix that tutorial.
I think there's already an issue in for the Learn Chef team to get this fixed.
Yeah, I think it's just not been updated.
Yeah.
Oh, and it looks like Chris has already commented on this some. Oh. Oh boy. Okay.
Mm.
Okay.
Wow.
Huh.
I think the TLDR is the tutorial is wrong.
Yeah,
Seems
I
to be
think
the case.
that's true. All right. Let me. I'm actually going to leave this in needs triage since this isn't our work item, but we do need to make sure that it gets into somebody's work queue.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Oh. Well.
I agree.
I think he opened a proper RFC in the RFC repo, didn't he?
Did he?
I thought so.
Oh yeah, here it is.
It's
Okay.
probably okay to close that issue and just let the.
Yeah.
Just that the RFC process take care of it.
All right. That is the end of triage.
Could you might be a good idea to change the title of that no auth token specified. It's a bit vague.
Yeah. Can I? Oh, I can't edit it.
So Learn Chef tutorial is inaccurate with respect to auth tokens.
Cool. All right, I'll make sure that one gets followed up on today. Does anybody else have anything they want to add to triage?
Nope.
All right, cool. Thanks everybody for joining.
Bye, guys.
See you all next week.